You can use this template.
Okay. I would like to tell my favorite person. Her name is Nadia. She is 23 years old. She is from Indonesia. I adore her because I like to some share some story to her and to yeah she very helpful if I have some problem, so she could help me, and yeah, it's so helpful. And she is a diligent person and a tidy person, and like for me in my family, like she's the one who the like cleanest person.